So we have our nails. We have this box, and I just get these boxes off of Amazon, and I will link them. And then just like this, and I put this two-sided tape down. And I just peel the nails off. And stick them down. My reason for this is because, I mean, essentially, we're just getting started, and not everyone knows how to measure their nails. So, this way, and I will go further into detail, but essentially, that's what these extra nails are for. And more than likely you can't make a set out of them, but if you think you can, then hey, you just gotta choose some free nails. So the packaging process is, again, you get the nails, you will get some sticky tabs. Don't include glue, but I figure who can't get glue, but these are 100% reusable, so it's super cool to, I get these mailers for now just from like the dollar store. My goal is ultimately to get these out to people and sell these, so I really hope that someone wins this giveaway. It will come with a thank you card as well, but I don't know who that winner is as of yet. So this is all we have. I really hope that you guys, whoever wins and someone wants to win, it's a super functional set. I chose this set because, I mean, I didn't want to get too crazy with it because, like, I want someone to want to win it. And it's something that you can actually wear. And I chose matte because not too many people have a matte top coat, but like everyone has a clear top coat. So, and even if you don't, like, it's way easier to get one. So Again, these are completely reusable, and you can just go right over it with a glossy top coat, and you kind of got yourself a whole new set of nails. So yeah, out for now. I cannot wait to see who wins. I can't wait to see yeah, everything. I'm excited. See you soon.